I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Record 10 to 30 minutes of clean, consistent voice at 44. 1 kHz mono so the model learns tone and cadence. Once done, pick a TTS engine that supports fine-tuning or prompt conditioning. This choice shapes cost and latency. Make sure to assemble sample scripts, persona descriptions, and pacing targets as percentages so you can measure output speed. You're now ready to split audio into aligned transcripts and standardize labeling for training. Next, align your cleaned audio to transcripts with a forced aligner so each phoneme and word has timestamps. This improves synthesis accuracy. Then fine-tune the chosen neural TTS for a few epochs, watching validation loss to avoid overfitting. Fewer high-quality epochs beat long, noisy runs. Once done, apply data augmentation, small pitch, speed, and noise variations to increase robustness and iterate with diverse sentences. Make sure to export checkpoints and run a /B tests comparing naturalness, intelligibility, and latency. Finally, deploy for real-time streaming or batch rendering, optimizing the model for your target CPU or GPU to meet latency goals. Once deployed, apply post-processing, normalize volume, insert contextual breaths, and use SSML for emphasis and pauses so narration sounds human. If you hit glitches like stutters or mispronunciations, first recheck alignment files. If persistent, reduce learning rate and retrain on the problematic subset. If that fails, add more high-quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.